She's a little mad at me because I called her little carrying case of trash can. I love this scooter. It's a good way to get around. Look how she look, guys. Look how she look. If she mad, she look away. When she mad, she don't look at me. She look away like this. All right, guys, we made it on our new site. We are all set up finally. It is a much better site, I have to say. It is a full hookup. The site that we came off of was muddy. It was gross. This one here, so much better. When I couldn't come around back at the other site because it was nothing but mud back here, big puddle of water. And I've been wanting to set something up for the longest, and I just, you know how you get on those sites and you just don't want to put nothing up. You don't want to put no chairs out. You don't really want to set up because the site ain't to your expectation. That's what we was dealing with. So when we had the opportunity to move, we took the opportunity. But anyway, guys, I got something I am excited about. I showed you earlier in the video. It's this thing here, but this thing here goes out here. It's gonna be out here. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? Let's put it together.
It is the MORryde Patio X.
I was trying to make them guess on this.
I am so excited though.
Yes. So guys, when this thing first came out,
yep,
we couldn't wait to get it.
I know.
So we finally got it. MORryde finally perfected it, because this is the second one, and we're about to give it a try.
Yes, and what this does, it gives you more living space. Not that we needed more living space, but we're gonna have more living space, and we're gonna be outside.
Yes.
But it's gonna be a room, an extension to a room into another room.
So guys, this room here is already 13.5 foot.
Yeah.
This is another 8 foot.
Yep.
So this is over 21 feet here. We're gonna stand over 21 feet. So we're about to put this together and we're gonna show you how we do it. You ready?
Yep, let's do it. So all that talk that Talmadge used to always share with you guys, he was an athlete and all that other good stuff. He now gets to put those muscles to work.
I am. I'm exercising right now. I'm already out of breath.
So I do know that they are looking at creating an electronic pump. I don't know if it's out yet, but I would say if you are going to spend the money on getting this so that you have the additional room connected to your toy hauler, just go ahead and purchase the pump, right? That way you could be set up within minutes, if that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my muscles too. See them right there?
And guys, I have an electric pump at home. I thought that this pump here would work, but it's the wrong pump.
And when he thought this pump, it was this right here.
Yeah,
so
that's good for inflating beds and things like that.
But we have an electric one for our sup boards.
It's coming alive, y'all.
Yeah, it's coming alive. Okay, you guys, so this is our view. What it says right there, Patio X. Look at that. Woo! That looks very cool. Now, I do know that we have to connect everything on the inside to another part of the tent, which is magnetic. You don't need special tools for this. Literally, we didn't use any, but you want to secure it. You want to secure this tent to your deck. So we're going to go around and make sure that we're securing this so it's 100% right.
Guys, check it out. This is what I like about it. So you got this little black flap here. If you want to seal it, it has magnets in it. Just stick to the side of your RV. Look at that, isn't that cool? So you won't get any rain or anything in it. Stick it, just stick it to the RV. Have to get inside to do the rest. But look at that. I gotta say, that's a good looking tent there.
This is very nice, very sturdy. And if you feel the cylinders, they're really hard.
Yes, yes.
So...
that's from all that pumping.
Okay.
I did a lot of pumping, guys. But that looked good.
That
So
good.
let's open it up and let some air in.
Okay.
Make sure over here it's nice and secure. Boom. I like this. They thought of everything with this one. Just stick to the side. We're in business. Here's the straps to strap it down. I can tighten it up here. Should be another strap over here. Look good. What you think?
It looks good. I do want to make sure that we're strapping it down securely to the bottom. So I'm gonna go get the instructions and make sure we're setting it up right. So right now we are attaching the metal magnets to the rig, and just like that, easy peasy, we are securing it all.
All right, guys, there you have it. I found it more easier just to pull the black lining inside and just strap it up from the inside like that. If you notice that everything is now sealed. We have a window. Boom. And just in case it rains, this is for the rain, guys. It's a rain guard where we can still see outside and we can still enjoy it outside. Or if we want to unzip everything, we can allow air in as well. Any of these windows, you could, if you got stairs that go off the deck from the side, you can use this window to go off the stairs. Same thing with the back and over here. If you want to have your stairs go off the back side, you can use these windows to go up and down the stairs. We don't bring our stairs with us because it takes up too much room and space. We prefer to leave the stairs at home. I do like them, but I just don't want to bring them. They just take up too much room, especially when we have the golf cart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and allow air in. And I got some nice chairs that'll go back here. I may have to get some, well, I got some comfy chairs to go back here, but I'm thinking about getting something even more comfortable. But this is nice. This is real nice. And look, you got the river back there.
So you guys, this is an amazing tent. It is one of those amenities that you can add to your toy hauler that is structurally perfectly made, in my opinion. I know that this is their second one, and what they did was they stopped making the first one because they saw some flaws in it. But this one, the Patio X, and it is spelled Patio, PatioEX, by MORryde.
And that does it for the new MORryde Patio X. guys, it is morning. The MORryde tent is still fully inflated. I can't wait to get the furniture for it. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Today I will be cooking on our new wood fire grill. I will be smoking a brisket. Just started up the grill. About to put the wood chips in, or the wood pellets in, and we're gonna get this brisket started. All right, I have here the brisket that I'm gonna be cooking. It's all seasoned up. It has been marinating in the refrigerator. Nice sized brisket, but by the time we're done, this thing gonna be half of the size. So let's get it on the grill, guys. This is the Cooking with Town corner. Cooking with Town. You guys, Shanti put me down for some years now saying I can't cook, but look who's cooking brisket now. She just was faking like that because she wanted to make it seem like she do all the cooking, being that I do everything else. But now you see I do the cooking as well. And Shanti is not around to cook this. Let's get this brisket on the grill. Okay, that grill is going, guys. Look at it. Smoking. I got the brisket on. I got the 2 probes inside. Let me know what the flatter side, the temps of the flatter side, and also the more thicker side, where I know when to take it off. So I'm shooting for 165 degrees. I'm gonna take it off, I'm gonna wrap it, and I'm gonna put it back in, and I'm gonna bake it. There we go, we're off. My target right now is at 30 degrees. My target is 165, and it may take some hours for it to get there, but it's gonna get there. So now I am at the halfway point. Look at that. That look good. So what I'm about to do is put it in some parchment paper, wrap it up, put it back in, and put it on bake. So we're gonna bake the moisture in. I got my sous chef here coming to take it off. Now you guys, she's not gonna take the credit for this. All she's doing is taking it off, right? Don't try to take the credit because you didn't do nothing so far. Just, right?
Who seasoned it?
Yeah, you season it, that's it. But I put it on, I did the rest.
Okay.
So we gotta pull those out.
I can't pull it out right now.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Okay.
Boom.
Oh, that's
Boom.
really cool.
Yep.
Okay.
And once you get it inside, to wrap it up.
You want me to wrap it up for you?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. But I'm not doing too much, right?
No, yeah, no.
Okay.
No,
All
just wrap it up, that's it.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna work.
All right.
I'm gonna have it looking good. It,
Okay.
it smells good, don't it?
It does. It smells really good.
Yeah.
Teamwork make the dream work.
It's no teamwork in this. There's no teamwork.
Okay.
I just have you doing something for me because I'm working on frog over here. My hands dirty, guys.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, I got you. So that's gonna, and then I can take that grate off, and I can clean that off
Yep,
too.
you can clean the grate.
Yeah.
So you can put it in parchment paper. We can put it over there. So we'll clean it next after that. But we're gonna put it on bake this time.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right, guys. I got it re-wrapped up. I went ahead and used aluminum foil, being that we did not have the parchment paper. This is good because it's gonna lock in the juices. Set it back on. Replug this up. Guys, I'm gonna set it for 350 this time. 350, say settings. I got they both at 165. I'm gonna change my target to 205.
Okay, I just want to say this, never say never, okay? So, as you know, I consider myself the cook out of us two, but this is what Talmadge ended up making us some brisket. We got some cauliflower rice with some cheesy broccoli, and he did a really good job. So I'm very proud of him.
I've been telling people that I can cook. Now I made y'all believers.
Don't take okay, I'm gonna give him the whole mile. I'm gonna give him the whole mile. Okay, you did good though.